Okay, so this is Krishay. He's going to solve for the yellow side.
Yeah, and I don't know how to solve Rubik's Cube.
Okay, so start the clock. No, start the clock.
Oh.
Yep.
Ooh.
Nineteen seconds.
27. As you can see, I'm going to do on this cube.
Hey, can you show the 27 seconds? Hold on. Not able to see it. Okay, 27 seconds.
And now on my other cube.
On your other cube?
Yeah.
Okay.
No. I'll do yellow on my other cube again. Just for fun.
Just start the time.
Yeah. Oh. This cube needs a little lubricating, but I don't know how to lubricate this cube. I don't really care. Oh dang. Oh dang. Why did I choose this cube? This cube sucks. This cube is not good. This cube is a baby. 36.
36 seconds.
37 was like almost like 36.
Cool.